So here's how to change template on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account, and after that here you have to go to the editor section. Once you are in your editing section of the blog, now from the left menu you have to simply click on this edit design option. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu. From here you can simply change the theme of your site. To change your theme, you have to simply click on the change theme option, and once you click on it, now it will open this menu. Now here you have to simply select the theme of your site. After that, once you have selected the site theme, now click on the save option. Once you have selected the color of your theme, now here you have to simply click on the apply to other page option at the bottom. Here you can make changes to the theme according to your own preferences. Wix also allows you to add transitions to your page. To add your transition, simply select your transition type and then click on the OK, and here you have to click on this icon to go back. As you can see from this menu, you can also select your color theme, text theme, page background and page transitions. So that's how to change template on Wix website.